Ever wondered how to browse the internet without leaving footprints? The answer is Tor Browser. In an era where privacy has become a luxury, internet anonymity stands as a beacon of hope. It's the digital equivalent of a cloak of invisibility, shielding your online activities from prying eyes. But why is it so crucial, you may ask? Your browsing patterns, personal data, and even location can be traced and potentially misused without it. That's where Tor Browser comes into the picture. Tor Browser, a product of the Tor project, is a champion of internet anonymity. It's a free and open-source tool designed to protect your privacy online by bouncing your communications around a network of servers worldwide. The result? Your online footprints are scrambled, making it difficult for anyone to track your internet activity. Stay tuned to learn how to use Tor Browser for anonymous browsing. Dive into the world of Tor Browser, a gateway to internet anonymity. This tool is an open-source web browser designed to protect your privacy and anonymity by bouncing your communications around a distributed network of relays run by volunteers all around the world. Born from the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory's project in the late 90s, Tor Browser has evolved into a key player in the realm of internet privacy. The way Tor works is fascinating. It routes your internet connection through several different servers or nodes before reaching its final destination. This process effectively masks your IP address and makes it appear as though your connection is coming from the final node in the Tor circuit, not your actual location. Key features include blocking trackers, defending against surveillance, and resisting fingerprinting. It allows you to browse the web without leaving traces of your activity. Now that we know what Tor Browser is, let's move on to how to use it. Getting Tor Browser up and running is a breeze. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the official Tor project website. Here, you'll find the latest version of Tor Browser available for download. Select the version that corresponds with your device's operating system: Windows, macOS, or Linux. Now, the system requirements for Tor Browser are quite minimal. It works best with at least 2 GB of RAM and just about any processor made in the last decade. It's designed to be lightweight and efficient, making it accessible to a wide range of devices. Once you've downloaded the file, it's time to install. For Windows and macOS users, it's as simple as double-clicking the downloaded file and following the prompts. Linux users, you'll need to extract the file and run the Start Tor Browser command. And there you have it. With Tor Browser installed, you're one step closer to anonymous browsing. Navigating Tor Browser is as simple as using your regular browser. Once you've installed Tor, you're ready to start exploring the world of anonymous browsing. First off, let's look at how to open websites. Simply click on the address bar at the top of the browser window, just like you would in any other browser. Type in the URL of the website you want to visit and hit enter. You'll notice that pages might load a bit slower than usual. This is because your connection is being rerouted through several different servers around the world to protect your privacy. Managing tabs in Tor is a breeze. Want to open a new tab? Just click on the plus icon next to your existing tab or use the shortcut Ctrl+T. To close a tab, click on the X icon or use Ctrl+W. You can switch between tabs using Ctrl+Tab. Remember, each tab operates independently, so what you do in one tab won't affect your privacy in another. Now let's dive into adjusting settings for optimal anonymity. Click on the hamburger icon on the top right corner of the browser, then click on Options. Here, you can manage your privacy and security settings. For maximum privacy, set the security level to Safest. This will disable certain web features that could be used to reveal your identity. You can also manage your cookies and history from the Privacy and AMP Security tab. It's recommended to clear your browsing history after each session for an extra layer of security. Additionally, you can customize your search settings. Tor has its own search engine, but you can choose to use other search engines that respect your privacy, like DuckDuckGo. Lastly, if you want to change the language or modify other browser preferences, head to the General tab in Options. Here, you can personalize your Tor experience according to your needs, and there you have it. Using Tor might seem a bit daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's really just like using any other browser, but with the added bonus of enhanced privacy and security. With these basics, you can start browsing the internet anonymously. Like any tool, using Tor Browser safely requires some know-how. The cornerstone of your safety on Tor is keeping your browser updated. Regular updates not only bring you new features, but also fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited. So, ensure you're always using the latest version. Next, pay attention to website security. While Tor provides a layer of anonymity, unsecured websites pose a risk. Always look for the HTTPS in the web address, which indicates a secure connection. Finally, always be cautious about sharing personal information. While Tor can help you remain anonymous, it can't protect you if you willingly give out sensitive data. Avoid filling out forms or signing up for accounts with your real name or other identifying details. Remember, Tor is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as effective as the person using it. With these safety tips, you can browse the internet with peace of mind. Internet anonymity is within your reach with Tor Browser. We've journeyed through the intricacies of internet anonymity, peeling back the layers of the Tor Browser. This powerful tool, which is more than just a browser, serves as your shield in the digital world, protecting your privacy and securing your data. We learned the simple steps to install Tor Browser, transforming your regular browsing experience into one that puts you in control. We also dived into how to use this browser effectively, navigating the internet while keeping your identity under wraps. We also discussed some safety tips to keep in mind while using Tor Browser. Remember, while Tor provides a layer of anonymity, it's not an excuse to engage in illegal activities. Use this tool responsibly. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay safe and enjoy your anonymous browsing. As we conclude our journey into the world of Tor, let's carry forward this wisdom and use it to foster a safer, more private internet experience.